Are you feeling nervous about getting a Brazilian wax? You're not alone. Many people experience anxiety before their appointment, but don't worry. We've got all the tips to help you conquer that fear. First, it's important to understand that feeling anxious is completely normal. To ease your mind, try to communicate openly with your esthetician. They are professionals and can guide you through the process step by step. Additionally, practicing deep breathing exercises can help calm your nerves. Remember, the more relaxed you are, the smoother the experience will be. So take a deep breath, trust the process, and soon you'll be feeling confident and fearless. Many first-timers feel nervous, but let's separate myths from facts. Choosing the right salon and communicating openly can make all the difference. Pain management is key. Here are some simple ways to make it easier. This is a major milestone. Embrace the confidence boost. Regular waxing makes the process easier over time. It helps in reducing hair growth and makes your skin smoother. Find what works for you and own your self-care journey. Whether it's waxing, shaving, or another method, consistency is key. Embrace the routine that fits your lifestyle and makes you feel your best. Remember, self-care is a personal journey, and what works for one person might not work for another. Stay confident and keep moving forward with your chosen method. If this video helped ease your anxiety, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more self-care tips. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more content that can make a difference in your life. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from it. Together, we can build a community focused on well-being and positivity. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful advice and uplifting content.